Hello, good morning children. This is Vankudo Charu Hassan, your maths teacher from Montessori Group of Schools, Telangana. So as earlier, ma'am has taught you some pages, some examples and some topics from your textbook to explain it. So after that, I'm gonna take and I'm gonna deal your maths, and I will start from new topic, and the topic name is numbers 0 to 9. And the topic name is what? 0 to 9. First we can write numbers from 0 to 9. 0 to 9. Before dealing with 0 to 9, I have to tell you about pairing. I have to tell you about what? Pairing. Pairing, the meaning pairing is kalapadam. Randitni we have to show, we have to pair, we have to draw a line, or we have to pair. We have common ga randitni pakka pakkana petti, we have to pair them. We have to see are they same or not. If not, we have to pair with the other number which is equal. So if you open your textbook topic number these, after page number 9, you have to go with the page number 9. Here you can see pairings. They have given you some examples. The bone and the dog, they have paired. Look here children, they have paired. Here bone and the dog, they have drawn a line and they have paired. Like the same, what you have to do is, the next one you have to go with the cat and rat. Cat and rat. What they asked here? Here, draw a line from pairs. Form pairs. Tick the group which have more and cross the group which have less. Tick the group which have more and cross the group which have less. అంటే ఎక్కువ ఉన్న దాన్ని టిక్ చేసి తక్కువ ఉన్న దాన్ని క్రాస్ చేయండి అంటున్నారు పేరింగ్ చేసిన తర్వాత. సో వాట్ we have to do here children? You have to pair here. You have to take your pencil and draw the line. First cat, first rat. Second cat, second rat. Like this you have to pair them, and you have to tick down which is more and cross which is less. Like this you have to pair the numbers. Okay, this is the pairing. So after that cat and rat, you have to go with the butterflies and flower. When you see in the page number 9 bottom, you can see some butterflies and flowers. What you have to do is take your pencil, you have to pair them. Pairing is to draw the line between the things which is given. So first they have given bone and dog, for example. What they have did is they have paired here. They have drawn a line from the dog to the bone. And next what we have to do is, we have to draw the line from cat to the rat. Cat to the rat. And after that we have to count how many cats are there. And if the cats are more, we have to tick. If the cats are more, we have to tick. If the rats are more, we have to tick. Or if the rats are less, what we have to do? We have to do the cross mark. We have to do the cross mark. So what he asked us here, see, draw lines and to form pairs. Draw lines to form pairs. Ante pairing cheyadaniki we have to draw the lines. We have to draw the lines between these things. And after that, tick the group which have more numbers. Tick the group which have more numbers and cross the group which have less numbers, and cross the group which have less numbers. So what we have to do? We have to count here. So look here all of you, for example, he already gave bones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bones are there. So he ticked here. What he did? He ticked here. And we will count the dogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 dogs we have. What he did? He did cross here. So what we have to do? We have to count the cats. Number of cats and number of rats. After pairing, after drawing the line. After drawing the line, after pairing the things, these animals, we have to count number of cats, and we have to tick if the cats are more, or we have to cross mark if the rats are less. Okay, this is called pairing. This is called what? Pairing. Understood children? This is called what? Pairing. So first what we have to do? We have to take the page number 9 and we have to check. We have to pair first. After pairing, we have to count number of cats, number of rats. After counting, tick the which is more. Tick which is more. Either cats are more, you have to tick down the cats. Either rats are more, you have to tick down the rats. And here also, look all of you here. Here butterflies are there and flowers. Butterflies and flowers. What you have to do is you have to pair. You have to pair the butterflies and flowers. What you have to do? You have to take the pencil and draw the line from butterfly to flower. You have to pair them. After pairing, count the number of butterflies, number of flowers. Which are more, you have to tick under in this box, and which are less, you have to cross mark in this box. Understood, children? So next, counting of numbers. Next one is counting of numbers. So at the beginning what I told, I will discuss about the topic what? Numbers from 0 to 9. Numbers from 0 to 9. So here we will take 0 first. We will take what? 0. 0. 0 means empty. See, look in my hand, all of you. I have 3 markers here. So what I am doing, I am putting one down, 2 and 3. Look all of you, there is nothing in my hands. My hands are empty. So I have 0 pens. I have how many? 0 pens. So I can say 0 is nothing but a empty. 0. Okay. 0 is nothing but a empty. So if you take a cake, what you do, you have to make that into 4 pieces. After making that into 4 pieces, you give one to your father, and you give second one to your mother, third one to your brother, and one you take. How many will remain? There will be nothing remaining. So that is called a 0. That is called what? 0. I think you have understood about the 0. All of you understood 0 is nothing but empty. After giving everything which we have, the remaining will be a 0. Understood, children? It will be a 0. So after 0, we will start counting the numbers. Not only the numbers, wherever we see, wherever we go, they will start counting from which number? 1. Number 1. Which number? 1. So wherever you go, wherever you check, బయటికి ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళినా, father వాళ్ళైనా, మమ్మీ వాళ్ళైనా, what they do is they count from 1. 1, 2, 3, they will start from 1, or they will start like this 1, 2, 3, 4. So the 1 will be the first number. Okay, 1 will be the first number. So here look all of you open the textbook, page number 10. Page number 10, textbook page number 10. Here you can see a cake. A cake. How many cakes are there? Only one cake. So what you have to do is, what he asked, count and write how many. What he asked, count and write how many. So what we have to see, look here all of you. So what I told, every number will start from only 1. So here, what was there? 1. How many cakes are there? 1 cake. So what we have to write, the first number is 1. First number will be 1. So after that, if you check in the textbook, look here, how many cupcakes are there? Here. So 1, 2. So the next number after which 1 is, the next number after 1 is 2. The next number after 1 is 2. The number will be 2. Okay, counting numbers will start from 1. 0 is an empty, but we will use somewhere. But the counting will start from 1. So first number is 1. After the 1, we have to go to 2. So 1, 2. So in the textbook, if you see, how many are there? 1 and 2. You have to do, count them. 1, 2. Here 1 cake we have written 1. Here how many ice creams we have? 1 and 2. How many we have? 1 and 2. You have to write 2 in the box. What we have to do? We have to write, count them. 1, 2. We have to write 2. After 2, we will go with which number? 3. We will go with the number 3. After 2, we have to go with the number 3. Look here all of you, now sequence here, look here, 1, 2, 3. So I told you we start counting from 1, after 1 we have to go with 2, after 2 we have to go with 3. So how many we have done? 3. Look here, look in the textbook all of you, we have some ice creams here, look, 1, 2, 3. How many are there? 1, 2, 3. Count them. 1, 2, 3. After counting, you have to go with the box. You have to write 3. How we have to write 3? See, look all of you here. 3 like this you have to write. Okay, that is 3. So after that, after 3, we will go for the number 4. We will go for the number 4 in counting numbers from 0 to 9. Counting numbers from 0 to 9, first we will have 1, after 1 we will go with 2, after 2 3, after 3 4. What is that? 4. Now in the textbook, look all of you, look in the textbook all of you. So here we have some cupcakes. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Which number they gave? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are there? 4. How many are there? 4. So look here, which number we have got after 3? 4. The number is 4. I hope all of you have understood here. So next, after 4 we have to go with the 5. After 4 we have to go with 5. So all of you open the textbook, the same page. After 4 we can see some ice creams here down. So we have to count. Start from what? Which number? Starting from 1. Starting from 1. Look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are there? 5 are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total how many? 5. So which number is after 4? Which number is after 4? It is 5. So what we have to write here? 5. In the box we have to write what? 5. So after 5 what was the number? 6. After 5 the number is 6. So look, same ice creams are there. Yummy ice creams. Look here. 1, 2, 3 black ice creams. 4, 5, 6. How many ice creams are there? 6 ice creams. How many ice creams are there? 6 ice creams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I told you after 5 which number comes? 6. The number will come is 6. After 5 we will get the number 6. All of you have understood? So 5 and 6. Here how many ice creams we have got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Understood all of you? So we have to go with the 6. We have to write in the box 6. Now next number after 6 the number is 7. After 6 the number is 7. So in the textbook all of you can see some lollipops. You will eat no? Those lollipops. Look all of you. 1. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many numbers I told you? Up to where? 7. What are those? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So here how many we got? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So what we have to write down in the box? 7. What we have to write? 7. The number we have to write is 7. So in the serial if you go 1, first number will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. How many numbers we have got? 7. So after 7 we have to go with the number 8. The number is after 7 the number is 8. So what was the number after 7? 8. So look here all of you. In the textbook they have given some donuts. So here count with me all of you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. How many donuts we have got? 8 donuts. So count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. How many are there? 8. Up to where we have reached the number is 8. What was the number? 8. So after counting what we have to do? We have to write in the box 8. So what is the number? 8. Now after 8 which number comes? Yes, the last number in the topic 9. What number is that? 9. So look in the book, all of you. At the last they gave some chocolates. So let me count those. How many are there? Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many he gave? 9. What was our number? 9. So which is the biggest one? 9. We have numbers from where? 0 to 9. In our topic we have numbers 0 to 9. Did we reach at the last? 9. We have reached it now. So let us count in the textbook again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So after counting, what we have to do? We have to write in the box 9. We have to write in the box 9. So up to how many numbers we have learned here? So we will read them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So what was our topic? Counting the numbers from 0 to 9. I told you 0 is nothing. 0 is empty. If I have 3 pens, if I give those 3 pens, how many will be in my hand? 0. It is called a 0, empty. So after 0, what we count? From where we start? From 1. The numbers will start from 1. So let us start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. How many numbers we learned? 9 numbers. We will count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay children, we will meet in the next video. Thank you.